Autostrada are delighted to offer this BMW M2 Coupe. It is a 2017 registered car. It has covered 5,000 miles. The M2 is considered by many to be the best M power car on the market. This June 2017 registered M2 Coupe has the following factory options: reverse parking camera, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, Harman Kardon surround sound system, Apple CarPlay, comfort access, power folding door mirrors, rain sensitive wipers, high beam assistance, automatic headlights, gloss black kidney grills and side vents, and carbon door mirrors and boot spoiler. This BMW M2 has a manufacturer warranty remaining until June 2020. The all-important running in service has been carried out by a BMW main dealer.